Well, hello there. Welcome back to another episode of the Fit Female Society podcast. I'm your host, Valerie Rose, and today's episode is going to be about 5 things to know when starting your health and wellness journey. And I want to present you this podcast through an article that I actually wrote for the Los Angeles Tribune, which I will definitely link down in the comment section below. And in that article, I go more into depth. So if you're looking to read what I'm going to talk about, feel free to check that out by looking at the description below. So, starting your health and wellness journey can be very daunting and scary. You think, like, well, what do I do? Do I go to the gym? Can I work out from home? What type of workouts do I do? And then I think the problem is that sometimes we go in with that expectation of wanting that quick fix, that magic pill, that I'm gonna build a booty in 4 weeks, that I'm gonna lose all the pounds I wanna lose in 1 to 3 months. But it really isn't like that. I'm gonna go ahead and quote John Haywood, who once said, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. And that's exactly what you need to do within your health and wellness journey. Now, instead of laying those bricks down to create that ultimate building, what you want to do is set the foundation by taking daily action. You want to go ahead and take baby steps that are going to help you develop healthiness, learn about your nutrition, learn about your physical well-being, and overall your mindset, because the mindset is the most powerful thing that you can build upon. Because when you have a positive mindset, you are going to be stronger emotionally, mentally, and physically. You're going to coach yourself when dealing with negativity. Your mindset is the number one thing when showing up to the gym. When you show up to the gym, when you work out at home, you might feel uncomfortable. At the gym, you're going to see people looking at you, or you're going to feel that everyone is looking at you. And let me tell you that they're not. Unless you're doing some weird, crazy stuff, like, then obviously people are going to look at you. I'm sure you guys have all seen like those crazy viral reels of people doing like the weirdest shit ever at the gym, or just crazy stuff where they're going to harm themselves, like jumping on top of like the bungalow stuff and, swinging left and right about to knock someone else out. Like, that is the type of stuff that is going to get attention. But remember that you're there for yourself. And when you're starting, you want to start off with some basic movements, body weight training, which is just focusing on only your body, not using any weights. Then slowly you'll develop your strength training, which will be weightlifting using like dumbbells, barbells, machines at the gym, and then so on and so forth. Now, you could also do cardio, but when doing cardio, it definitely helps with more heart healthiness versus you building muscle. And the more muscle you have in your body, the more weight you're going to lose at a resting rate. Meaning, when you're resting, like I'm sitting right now, when we're sitting, when we're standing, when we're sleeping, we are burning calories. So the more muscle you have in your body, the more calories you're going to be burning at a resting rate, and also while being super active. So, here are the 5 things to know when starting your health and wellness journey. Don't let it scare you. Change and transformation can seem scary, especially when it's in the unknown. Obviously, we're very comfortable within the realm when we know things, we know what to expect, we know exactly what to do, we kind of know the results we're going to get. It feels pretty comfortable. But when you're stepping into something new, something challenging, something you've never done before, you're truly stepping out of your comfort zone, but it's all for the greater good. It's all for the better development of yourself. So, number one, know your desired goal and then come up with a plan. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to go ahead and let's start off very basic. I want to show up to the gym 3 times a week for this whole entire month. That's a pretty realistic goal for starting out, which means all you got to do is schedule the 3 days you want to go during that first week, schedule the 3 days during the second week, the third week, and the fourth week. And then you'll accomplish that goal within 1 month. So schedule the days that you want to work out those 3 days. Now, starting off within the first month, I'd recommend just getting a feel for the gym. If you're going to the gym, just get a feel for it, kind of walk around, see what other people are doing, tap into the machines, do some dumbbells, and just play around with all the equipment that's available. Once you play around with everything and you kind of get a feel for it, you're going to want to start focusing on full body exercises. That way, you're evening out your muscles, your strength, your form, and developing that foundation within the full body. Now, in order to achieve that goal of showing up to the gym 3 times per week within a 1 month period, you're going to have to set an alarm. You're going to have to coach yourself mentally and tell yourself, I'm going to show up to the gym today. I'm going to make time for it, just like if it were a doctor's appointment. You make your doctor's appointment, you know you set it up in advance, you show up, you get the procedure done, you're good, they schedule it for the next time. That's the similar process that you're going to use when starting your health and wellness journey with this goal that we're talking about of showing up to the gym or working out at home 3 times per week for a monthly period. Obviously, when you show up, you're going to get a feel for the environment, do something different every day, and that there is going to help you build confidence. You're going to feel more comfortable in that environment, and then you're going to start seeing like what is it that's attracting you in the gym and just start doing it. Now, if you don't know what to do, you need further help with your goals, such as losing weight, building muscle in specific areas, which isn't too realistic because you can't just pick one area and build muscle. You have to come up with a plan and primarily target the whole entire body. And once you're at a state where you're pretty well balanced throughout your whole entire body, then you can target specific areas such as your biceps, your glutes, and other parts of your body. And if you don't know the plan, that leads me to number two. If you can't come up with a plan, find a professional that will help you figure out these goals, whether it's a personal trainer who is online or in person. Now, you can find the in person trainer at the gym. Go to any of your local gyms, go to the front desk receptionist, and let them know that you're interested in one on one private coaching with a personal trainer. Now, gyms also offer group classes. So that's something that you can tap into, but it's not really personalized to you. It's more a program that you need to follow whatever the instructor is showing, and they don't give you that one on one correction of the form, that one on one motivation, and that one on one personalized goals. Now, if you're looking for someone online, social media has it all from weight loss coaches to muscle building to a transformational life coach like myself, which I focus on helping women become their best self through fitness, nutrition, and wellness, which primarily helps you pave the way within your transformation journey and focusing on all those three components. So, if you focus on your fitness, your nutrition, your wellness, which is your mindset and your overall well being, it'll help you achieve those goals of losing weight, building muscle, developing healthy life habits such as doing hobbies and activities that are good for your well being, like walking, hiking, journaling, meditating, and so much more. Overall, having a strong mindset. Now, for number three, get ready to be consistent at working towards your desired goals. You cannot go to the gym one day and be like, you know what, I'm going to go today, but I'm not going to go again for like 3 weeks. I mean, unless you're having a real like mental and emotional barrier or you're going through some stuff in life, it's passable the first few times, but you don't want to make it a habit to not show up because all you really have to do is wake up, come up with a plan, show up at the gym, get some movement in the body. And I promise you that you're going to feel better than when you first walked in with that negative mindset and those negative thoughts and just not even wanting to show up. So you got to show up. You got to be consistent. Now, how to be consistent? With your fitness, commit to 3 to 5 workout days per week with rest days in between. So, a good example is working out on Monday, resting on Tuesday, working out on Wednesday, resting on Thursday, working out on Friday, resting on Saturday and Sunday. But everyone's going to set up their workout split as they please, catering to their goals. But you really want to prioritize sleep and resting in between. And the purpose is to give your body a break because no matter how much we work our body, we definitely need that break to recover our muscles and help with that growth. Number four, you really, really, really have to have a strong sense of self belief. You have to believe in yourself, even if no one else does. You have to feel like the coolest, the most baddest person in the gym for yourself because it's going to help you with your self esteem, your overall confidence, and overcoming the fear of working out, overcoming the fear of the gym. And I know we're talking lots about the gym, but let's go ahead and take it back to those home workouts. So, when working out at home, you want to apply these same practices 3 to 5 times working out per week on a weekly basis. Now, if you continue that up, you're going to see your form building. You can buy equipment to have at home. You can literally use like a water gallon, something that's pretty heavy within weights to start helping you build that strength if you're not ready to go to the gym. And as I mentioned before, you can go ahead and do those body weight exercises, which might not feel so challenging, but if you are starting out, it will feel like a grand challenge for you. You're going to feel that muscle soreness. You're going to get those joints moving that you probably normally don't move. And they're also going to help you with day to day activities like squatting, bending down to pick up a box, reach up and lift up something from the top shelf, and all of that good stuff. So have that strong sense of self belief and don't give up. Don't give up, which is going to lead me to my next point. Number 5, when starting your health and wellness journey, you don't want to give up and you want to understand that it is a journey. It's a process and you want to enjoy it as you're going through it. Accept yourself for where you're at. Envision the person that you want to become. Envision yourself completing those goals. And within today, just take those daily actions from there on out with your nutrition, prioritizing good, healthy foods. Yeah, you can go ahead and have those like nice little cheat meals, but you want to minimize it because ultimately you want to make it become a lifestyle. And if living a healthy lifestyle is something you want to do, you want to implement it in every area of your life as much as you can, meaning the people that you choose to hang out with, the partner that you have, the activities that you are involved in, such as working out, your nutrition. You want to have a well balanced diet. And then with your mindset, overall, as I say, it is the most important component, having that strong mindset. Number 5, never ever giving up. Stay consistent, stay determined, love yourself. Look into different workout videos by checking things out on social media, talking to a personal trainer, reaching out to me. You know, I'd be providing you all with definitely like free advice all over social media through this podcast. Look at the previous episodes to see different ways that you could apply new techniques, different techniques, older techniques that you might know, and your own personal experience towards helping you become a better, healthier, and happier version of yourself. And ultimately, that is why I created the Fit Female Society, which is an online health and wellness life coaching brand. Because I know how hard it can be to start off not knowing what to do, feeling like you're alone, feeling clueless and scared, and overall creating that environment of women empowerment, enabling women to live the lives that they want, being healthy, being awesome moms, being awesome wives, being awesome women to themselves and others around them. But you can't pour into others unless you pour into yourself first. So, creating the Fit Female Society brand has definitely helped me work with so many women, bringing them together through different challenges that I have as a group, having them in the private Facebook community, which I have for the women that are current and past clients, so that they could go ahead and network in there, share tips, recipes, all of that good stuff. Their overall experience with me, what worked for them, what didn't, and overall continuing to grow and build even after getting that coaching with me. So, if you're interested in one on one coaching, go ahead and check out the links in the description box below. That way, you can reach out to me via email, DM, Messenger, whatever platform you're on. And I also have the one on one coaching application, which will be a super short questionnaire, very straight to the point. Me getting to know more about you. We'll get a call scheduled, and then we'll see if you're a good fit for me and I'm a good fit for you. And then we'll go on from there. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe this video if you feel like these 5 tips will help you within your health and wellness journey. Make sure to look at the article in full as well, which will be linked down below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.